Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day 2 of our Read Write Ink videos for this week. Today you are going to need your literacy jotter and a nice sharp pencil so you can join in with your Fred finger spelling. Okay, can anyone remember the sound that we have been practicing this week? That's right, ear. Ear, ear. And this special friend is made up of 3 letters. Can you tell Miss Brown what 3 letters make up the sound ear? That's right, it's A, A, 3 letters, 1 sound. A, ear, special friend. We're going to go on to our Fred finger spelling. So our first word is, how many Fred fingers does the word deer have? Deer. Now this deer is how you would start a letter, which we know quite well because we've written lots of letters during our writing time. Deer. 1, 2, 3, show me your fingers. 2, well done. Let's pinch the sounds. D, ear. Deer. Your turn. Well done. Can you write it down? Remember to underline our special friend. Okay, our first sound, bring this forward a bit so you can see. Our first sound is D. Good. D. Our second sound is ear, made up of 3 letters, 1 sound. A, and underline our special friend. Let's check to see if we've got it right. A tick for D and a tick for ear. D, ear. Deer, your turn. Deer, deer. Well done. Okay, moving on to our second word. How many Fred fingers does the word ear have? Ear. How many Fred fingers does it have? 1, 2, 3, show me. 1. Ear. Ear. This should be a pretty easy one for you to write down. Ear, 1 Fred finger. Write it down. Okay. Ear is the sound, and it's the only Fred finger, ear, that the word ear has. How do we write the sound ear and the word ear? A, underline. A, 3 letters, 1 sound. Ear. Give it a big tick if you've got it right. Okay, our final one today is here. How many Fred fingers does the word here have? 1, 2, 3, show me your fingers. 2, pinch the sounds. H, ear. Here, your turn. Good job. Can you write it down for me now, please? Okay. First sound is H. Second sound is ear. Made up of what letters? A, R. Underline our special friend. H, ear. Here. Your turn. Here. Here. Tick or fix. Well done, boys and girls. We have been able to write ear words independently. I would like you to go on and complete more of your ear words that you will find in the Google Classroom folder under Read Write Ink. Remember to also be reading your book as well, your yellow book, and Callum and Alexander, you have got a new Olympia book to read, chapter 1 as well. Give yourselves a huge big marshmallow clap, boys and girls, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of Read Write Ink. Have a nice day.